These truly are our final days with the Ioniq EV28 before it finds a new home and gets swapped for its successor. If you come for this type of content about the Ioniq, don't unsubscribe just yet, as I've got data for a lifetime on this car, and in fact we've got more content to come on other Ioniq EV28. For now, I thought I'd recap some of the resources and links we've put together over nearly 3 years and a bunch of videos. We've shared what it's like to do the long trips to a vacation destination. The Ioniq is also great for day trips, be it in the UK or even in the Alps, and we've covered that too. If you want to know about charging the car and how flat the curve is, well, it's here. For tools to extract data from the car, you've got that too. Then there have been many assessments of efficiency as a function of speed in winter versus summer, and then how it compares to an internal combustion engine. We ended up doing our own Abacus for a quick lookup table on range available as a function of current driving economy. And this is because the car does not have a linear charge curve, and of course it has a small battery. We also tried to hypermile it on the London to Brighton rally, and that was a good day. And of course we've collected loads of data on battery degradation that was from more than 50 volunteers who helped contribute to a bit of science. We then compared a number of other EVs to the Ioniq, and without much surprise it remains the efficiency king. And it has good charging speed expressed in added mileage per minute of charging. There's probably a lot more, but I'll let you explore. Don't forget to take part in our ongoing competition on efficiency. Please like the videos, subscribe. You may also want to take a final guess as to what the replacement car will be. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.